There's a reason why your morning porridge may not be filling you up until lunchtime and may leave you feeling hungry at 11 o'clock, lacking in concentration and wanting to eat more food. So my name is Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and I'm going to show you how to boost your porridge so that it lasts you all morning and that you don't feel hungry until lunchtime. So porridge oats are great because they're a good source of soluble fibre, which is good for our gut microbes. However, they only contain around 10 to 11 grams of protein per 100 grams, which means a normal bowl of just porridge oats has around 5 grams of protein and is topped up a little bit from the milk. But most women and most people feel a bit better when they have a little bit more protein in the morning. So my trick is, if you normally have 50 grams of porridge oats, cut it down to 30. Make your normal porridge and then top it up with other protein foods. This is what nutritionists do. We look at things like low-fat Greek yogurt, kefir quark, which has 12 grams of protein per 100 grams, and check that your yogurt has around 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. And if you add 150 grams of that on top of your porridge oats, you've immediately boosted your protein content up to nearly 20 grams. You can also add some pumpkin seeds as well. What happens is you metabolize this porridge in a different way. It doesn't spike your blood sugars in the same way, but instead gives you a slow, constant energy throughout the morning, which improves your concentration as well.